Okay, so we have some birdies that aren't a big fan of Mom's roller skates. Okay? Kiwi didn't mind it. Well, here, come here. No roller skates? Come on, let's go. No? Newman doesn't care. She hates them. She won't let me come near her. Come on, let's go. Okay. Floyd likes them. Floyd likes them. Come here, Floyd. Floyd likes to go for a skate. Come on, Floyd. He's not scared. He likes them. Let's go.
You know what? How many more years are you gonna put in? I mean, I'm putting in 2.
Oh, Dad's talking about retiring in 2 years.
Yeah, so there we go. I mean,
2 more years, eh, Floyd? He's gonna be home all the time.
It's still gonna be around for a while.
Whoa! Don't fall with Floyd. Whoa! It's hard to do with no hands.
I'm gonna campaign to keep you on that DCC.
There you go. That was fun, eh? Skate? Let's go. You liked your first skate. Here.
Oh, yeah, well,
Let's go for a skate. Click, Kiwi. Woo!
yeah.
Woo! Let's go. Cookie was outside today, so he's
I know.
gonna watch the turns. Woo!
Especially like the way you guys had it for a while there, when it was like,
Woo! Kiwi! Let's go. We're almost back here. We did a round.
I know.
I gotta stop. There we go. We did it. Woo! Fun! Yay! Hey, you want to come out, Coco? Come on. No? Come with us. Everyone else went for a skate. Here. Floyd likes it. Come here. Nope. Woo! Fly, Coco. Fly. We'll just go for little fly, right? No? Okay, how about up here? Kiwi likes the flying.